Hi everyone. So I'm going to attempt to make a cake in my Tupperware Stack Cooker. What you do is you put your cone, I sprayed it good, you stick your cone in the middle, like so. And then I'm using the Pro Chef to blend everything, and I'm just going to follow the cake recipe. So first I'm going to stick the cake mix in. And I've already spilled oil all over lots of times here. I'm hoping everything fits. Half a cup of vegetable oil. Get that out of the way. A cup of water. Three eggs. Oh. Alright, we just put the lid on. The handle. And I stir it up. Thank you, Brandon. So I'm going to scrape down the sides. My wrists are really bad and my arms. That would be why I need help. Normal folks can do this. Actually, I think that's mixed pretty good. Get all that in there. Alright. Take the little thingy out. Try it. Yep, it tastes like pecan cake. Butter pecan. Okay, I'm going to stir that up really good. Make sure all the batter is in there, which it is. Okay. Now I'm just going to pour it around the inside here. Smells like caramel. Yum. Now you can do this with the cake mix and a can of like 7-Up, and that'll work out nice for a diet cake. Okay, so it's all around there. It's going to be a real pretty butt cake. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 8 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I just took it out of the microwave and it was, what did I put it in, 8 minutes? 8 minutes. Now you're going to keep this, but I'm going to let this cool for a minute until, see how it's separating away from the sides there? I want it to cool down and pull away from the centerpiece a little. And then I will flip it out into this, and this will then become my cake maker, cake holder. So I'm going to let this cool for a few, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I think it's separated enough to flip it. Let me get the cake off the top of that. That looks lovely, don't it? Yeah, it'll be all right. I'm going to flip it. It came apart. See how nice that is? Take that off, and voila. My cake's a little lopsided, but that's my doing, not because of the product I'm working with. I forgot to level it off. So I'm going to let that cool, and then I'm going to heat up a little bit of the frosting and pour it over the top. Put some chopped pecans on it, but I can't do it now. I got to wait for it to cool. So we'll be back. Okay, so I frosted the cake. Now you'll know on my channel you won't see me make cakes very often because I am not a cake maker. But you know what? It works great. 8 minutes in the microwave, and I have a fast cake made, and mine was uneven because I forgot to spread the cake mix around to make it where it wouldn't be uneven. So, but I still think it looks pretty. What do you guys think? And this is just chopped pecans I'm putting over the top. And voila, there's my cake. It's a really nice moist cake. I love doing the ones with the pop in it, and I will do one for you guys with that. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below. So easy, and they turn out so nice and moist. All right, everyone, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Have a great day. Bye.